This is the Sesame Street organizer, and let me show you how quick and easy the installation is. So these are the pieces it comes with. There's not much, and when I say this is the easiest installation that I've done for anything baby or child related, yeah, this was pretty simple. So it comes with 4 rods, and you'll just go ahead and put them in those holes, and then it comes with the screws. So you will need some type of screwdriver, and then once you screw those in, you will put this kind of tarp around it, so it goes around the back and then it goes in through the loops in the front, and then you put the other side on top, so the other frame, and then you go ahead and screw those in just like that, and that's it. And then you go ahead and you put together the inserts. The inserts are really easy. You just color coordinate them, and this is how it looks when it's complete. So you have the biggest bin on the bottom, and it does come with those stickers as well. You can use them freely. Then it has those 2 medium-sized bins and the 3 smaller ones on the top.